Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne, and on this channel I post all things hair content, hair tutorials, so that the girlies don't say they don't know what hairstyle to make. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the process in which I achieved this beautiful braids using extension from Hotbraids. One of the first things you might be wondering is what extension I used to achieve this beautiful braids, and I used the Kinky bulk human hair braiding hair from Hotbraids. Disclaimer: if at any point during this video you notice that I'm just touching my hair, flexing my hair, it's because of how beautiful it came out. Like, I am obsessed. This beautiful hair from Hotbraids is a must buy for this season. If you're thinking of what hairstyle to make for the festive season, this should be your hairstyle. Go get these hair extensions from Hotbraids. Their website is www.hotbraids.com. Get it and install this style. This is long, it's luscious, it just feels so good to touch, and the strands are completely separated. Like, there's literally no tangling at all. This is how the hair extension comes. It is sort of like 2-in-1, so you have a lot of braiding hair to use. I used practically all the hair extension I had because I wanted the hair to be as full as possible, and look at how full it is. Like, this is the hair after I have applied product to, like, you know, bring it down, and it is this full. It is so beautiful. Like, it's giving wealth, it's giving riches, it's giving money. This hair extension is 100% Remy virgin human hair. Like, this is pure human hair. It doesn't tangle, it is highly reusable, and it is beautiful, flowy and lightweight. And this is 3 parts with just one regular extension that I used to achieve this braid. Something I want you to know about my hairstyle is that I made my parts very tiny. Like, I made it pretty tiny because I want this to last for long. I didn't want it to be big. I wanted actually like as tiny as I could possibly make it by myself, and it is super tiny. So you can imagine how full these braids are, and still it is lightweight. It is not heavy at all. It is also very long. Like, it is 22 inches. I'm going to show you the full length. This is how long this hair is. This is 22 inches of the Kinky curl bulk human hair braiding hair from Hotbraids. It is perfect for your Bora braids. You can even use this to achieve like a Ghana weaving hairstyle. Do anything. I just wanted to go for the knotless look because it is so beautiful. Like, can you see? And it is so festive. It is luxurious. I think that's the most important thing to tell you about this hair. I talked about how this hair extension comes sort of 2-in-1, so it is so full. You're not going to lose all your hair because it's tangling and it's coming out. No, it's also tension free, and it is just exactly what you ordered for. Like, in terms of the gram, the weight is what you're going to get. I have zero complaints about this hair extension. Like, literally zero complaints. You guys might have some questions, some other questions about the hair and, you know, how I achieved it. First of all, I made it myself, and, you know, I parted my hair first, and then I went in with braiding hair. Then I started adding the pieces of the curly human hair extension. That was how I was able to achieve this. For each braid, I added a minimum of 4 pieces and like a maximum of 6-7 pieces of the human hair. I used the regular straight extension because I want to give the hair some weight. I made some, funny enough, I made some with just the human hair extension. Like, I started from the beginning to the end with just the human hair extension, but this set of extension is very kinky, so it tends to curl up a bit. So if you're going to do it, I advise that you use a straight hair extension to support, so that it can, you know, be longer and straighter. So that's what I did. So I started off braiding with the regular attachment, and I would braid a few inches, about 1 inch, before I add in the first curly braiding hair, and then I keep going down, and I add at intervals until I get to the end. Now for the end, this is very important for you to note. This is what the end of my braids look like. You would note that you can't really see the straight braiding hair extension that I use. That's the regular attachment that I use, because when I get to the end, I would not I would knot it and then I would cut it off, because I didn't want to have any peaking straight hair. I want this hair to look so perfectly curly that it even looks like it's a wig and not braids, but the braids are just like in between. So I didn't want to have any this thing sticking, and also it is so full that you can't say, okay, let me start curling the ends of my hair. You just can't do that. You're going to have to like dip this in hot water by mistake. So to avoid that, you knot, then you cut. If you want to take it a step further, you can use like a lighter or a candle to burn the end of the mouth. I didn't do that because, you know, it works. This works perfectly for me. The curls are so full that they can hide any imperfection that, you know, came about as you were making the hair. Another question might be, how long did it take you to achieve this hair? Let me just come out clean and say, don't ask me how long it took me. Just go through the process. Go through the process and you achieve it in no time. So I don't dissuade you by saying, oh, it took you so hours. So I started the day before, and then the next day I started braiding, and I was done braiding, like, you know, at the end of the day. Then the next day I did the finishing and that was it. But if you're going to a hairstylist to help you achieve this hairstyle, which you probably should, then you're going to finish it in hours, like, because some people will just assist, you know, you'll be done in hours. But if you're doing this yourself, this video is for you. Do not lose courage, don't give up, you can do it. I did it, so you can. I used 3 packs, obviously. I have a little bit left. Let me just show you what I have left out of the 3 packs. This is all I have left of the 3 packs of the braiding hair. Like, this is it. So I used practically every single one of it, and that's why it's this full. So if you're going for this size, definitely use 3 packs. For the finishing process of this hair, what I did was I first went in with water. I used a lot of water. In fact, you can soak it in water and then just dry off the excess water. So I used a lot of water first to tame the curls, and then I went in with my gel. I went in with Eco Styling Gel just to define the curls a little bit, and lastly I went in with my mousse. After putting my Eco Styling Gel, I brushed out the curls a bit just to tease it, and then later I applied my mousse, and this is what it looks like right now. Maintenance of this hair would basically be the mousse and the water with the gel, and it's always going to bounce back, even if you're just a lazy type that doesn't like to rearrange your hair every day. I know you, I know some of you. You people just remove your bonnet and start going out. Please maintain your hair. When you make this hair, do maintain it. Do maintain it. If you're looking to purchase this hair extension, head to the website hotbraids.com. Under braiding hair, select this kinky curl bulk human hair and thank me later. In terms of wearability of this hair, already I know that it's going to survive. I know it's going to stand the test of time, but I plan to keep it in for a month, thereabout. I think that's a long enough time to keep it and take it out and then, you know, wash it and prepare to reuse it. Why are you hesitating to make this investment? Don't hesitate, go ahead. Now, I would typically tell you if the hairstyle you're about to make from my channel is low maintenance or high maintenance. So today I'm going to tell you that this hairstyle is high maintenance. It is high maintenance if you want to be honest with yourself. It's not something that you just treat anyhow, but don't forget it's human hair, so it's sort of mid-maintenance. Just for the fact that it's human hair, anybody can actually handle this. You can wake up, sprinkle water and go out, or you can wake up, sprinkle water, apply gel, define your curls and go out, and you still look good. But it is sort of high maintenance. So lazy babes like us, do with that information what you will. I have just put my braids into a half up, half down hairstyle, and this is one of my go-tos for whatever hairstyle I am carrying. It is simple and it is different. Immediately gives you a facelift. Like I said, don't let this die on this channel. Please try it out. This is such an OG way of styling braids. You guys remember, right? I used to style my braids like this all the time in like 2015, 2016. This was it. This was it. And I'm happy that it's coming back in Such a beautiful hairstyle. You might have some questions that you want to ask that I have not answered already in this video. Please leave them down in the comments and I will be replying every single one of them. Have you subscribed? Should I be asking if you've subscribed? If you're a new viewer, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're an OG subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for trusting my recommendations. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like this video and share it to everybody that you know. Share it all around your family group chats, your school group chats, everywhere, anywhere. Just let people see this video, let people get into this hairstyle, let people, you know, find a new hair inspo. Until next time, bye loves.